Debtors?
Trespassers!
You're nuts!
Get
out!
Whoa, think you know someone?
What the fuck? I can't believe you exposed this to my children without my
Your
consent!
children? What about my son? He's only just been born.
I'm booking to a...
Boys, get
I have more followers on DILF.com than you.
No! I forgive your dentures!
Forgive your trespassers.
You owe me a bottle of wine!
Get off my property.
And I feel sorry for them. Don't they want to go to
Whatever,
heaven?
I got some jacking off to post.
Go away, Shapey.
I'm looking.